So, hello guys, this is my car and it will be my first video on my channel on YouTube. So enjoy it. Let's go drive. You can write in the comments how it works. If it's looking fine, good quality, and if you're hearing me good. Everything you want, just write in the comments. I think the camera is a little bit close my nose and sometimes I can feeling it touch my nose. I need to work about the POV to looking the best. But it's a first video, so don't care much. Just we need to look how it looks when it's done. Whoa! Ow! This road is not so good. But we have shortcut there. And if you know, guys, how it's like with radio on music or music, I can play music only without copyrights, or how it's working. You can write me this in the comment section. Thank you as well. Here we have some shortcut. Ram. On the next road I try to pull with the VTEC, so you can tell if it sounds good or hilarious or bad. Just what you think. I need your opinion, just for myself, just for only knowledge, because you know you don't need to care about opinions other people's, but it's nice to know. Can I watch my preview? Probably it's looking good. I hope. We will see at the end of the video. And sorry for my English at all. It's not my first language, but I try. I don't like these roads. Holes everywhere. Don't go, bro, don't go. I come in. So from the second gear, holes everywhere. You just need to go like slalom. Everywhere are the holes. And it's probably starting raining. And I don't know if I'm not speaking too high notes. I don't know how it's in words. Fuck this. I hope I'm not too noisy for this video. But as well is the footage from GoPro Hero Silver 7 in Full HD with 60 FPS, so I hope it will be looking good. We now gonna check to my friend if he's on the workshop. And maybe there we will finish the video. but I need to work about this position of camera, because not much, but it's make me not feel alright, uncomfortable, because I have it between my eyes at the forehead, but I see the corner of the camera. I think we can do it better, but we will see how it works. Friend have workshops on there. Oh, there I think, but it's open or the close? It's open. So we go. Enter there is not so good, but last time we with showers make it some better than before. Look at this GT 500 Cobra. Ooh. So this is my friend's workshop. It's my Towhawk. I found it in home. Have it about 7 years. It's from my last Civic AK3. But I think about to put this on this Honda. I think it will be good. So this is the car, looking like that. Okay, so now I will go end this video. I hope you enjoy it. Write in the comments what you want. I'll be wait for some comments, and if you like it, leave a like. See ya guys.